All right, the City of Darlington has been working hard on trying to get communication out to all the public, and one way that we have come up with is the texting message. Okay, you will not be text unless there's something specific about it or something's going on to the City of Darlington, so that way you are informed. And so to do that, you just go to 91896. Type in 91896 and send a text that says Darlington SC in the text, okay? And then hit enter, and it will then give you the instructions. You just supply text back yes after that, and it automatically rolls you into the texting system. And at any time, if you decide you want to opt out, you just type stop, and it automatically opts you out. But that's a quick way to automatically make sure that we're making communication with everyone in the public about events that are going on, monthly newsletters of what's happening in the City of Darlington, and also, if there's any issues with trash or road blockages or anything like that, we can pinpoint different areas and just contact that section of town and let them know that there's an issue with a particular road or something that may be going on. So you won't be bombarded with a bunch of text, but it's a good way of making sure that the City of Darlington, along with our signs on the square, the digital sign, also with the newspaper and printed paper that goes into the utility bill every month, that we're working and striving hard to make sure that the City of Darlington is constantly communicated with us and all the citizens know what's going on. Darlington, what are we known for? NASCAR. That is coming up August the 28th. We're having the NASCAR car hauler parade. Everybody loves to see the big trucks coming through town and blowing the horns, and great excitement there. They'll be starting at Florence Darlington Tech. They'll be leaving there. There'll be stuff going on out there before 6 o'clock that you could go and enjoy also, but you could come downtown, the City of Darlington. We'll have food trucks. We'll have things for the kids, inflatables and stuff going on right in the middle of the square of Darlington. Come out and enjoy that. And at 6 o'clock, they'll leave Florence Darlington Tech, come down 52 Highway and do the parade coming through town, straight through South Main, down North Main Street, hit it out that way towards Smith Avenue. So anywhere along that way, you can sit along and enjoy it. But come downtown in the middle of the square. The City of Darlington has worked hard to put a great event on for you, so that kids and families have something to do and enjoy. Walk around town and shop, and the food trucks that will be there. The restaurants will be open also. So support local, enjoy it, and we appreciate the truck haulers taking their time to come out and do this for us. It's a great event for the NASCAR, the City of Darlington working together. You're also going to enjoy Andy and Oneida, that concert coming downtown during the truck hauler parade also, so you will not want to miss that. They are fantastic. They travel all over the world. Andy has got his comedian work from me. I taught him well. That's just a joke. Andy is awesome. And it's singing and comedian, and one of our local guys with his wife, Oneida, and they do a fabulous job. So come out and enjoy that time with your family. Bring your chairs and sit out and listen to them sing. They may even allow me to go up and do a solo. Congratulations to the fire department of the City of Darlington. They worked really hard. They have been awarded the V-Safer grant, which was $14,000. They'll be able to use that money for additional tools. They bought some new lighter weight equipment to keep them updated and ready to roll for any emergencies that we have. That was given to them for having 57% of volunteers. So they got a really strong group of volunteers that they have worked with, and Chief Cavanaugh and Assistant Chief Charles Bailey have worked hard building a good team, and that's what it's all about. So if there's ever an emergency of any type, they're ready to roll and right on top of it. We have a good standing of insurance rating for them also, and so they have done a fabulous job over the years, and we appreciate their support and effort. So whenever you see those guys out, always congratulate them, tell them thank you for their hard work. I'd like to thank the police department for putting on the National Night Out, which is a time that everybody can come out and visit the police department, and just all the locals come together. We had a really great turnout that they put together with Georgia Pacific and Genesis, and a lot of places, a lot of companies that came out and supported and gave out stuff to the children and families. Was a great time, and we appreciate their support and effort. So again, when you see the officers out, tell them thank you for all the service and work that they do. Smile, and they always change their day and make it great. But we appreciate that time and effort. They gave out a lot of toys and things for the children, and book bags and different things like that. So it was a great time for everybody to kind of come together and just have a relaxed time. It was downtown on the PD on Pearl Street, and was a wonderful night that day. And rain passed by, and we came out really good. And so we appreciate everybody's time and effort and support for coming out for that. We are excited in the city of Darlington. There's always a lot going on. No matter what some people say, the city of Darlington is constantly busy with things going and happening and growing. It's taken about 5 months to finally get it passed, but the city council passed the housing incentive program, which is to where if you come into the city of Darlington, whether you're an individual or whether you're a contractor or builder, developer, and you come into the city of Darlington to build a home, fill out the application, tell them you want the housing incentive program, to where you'll pay your fees, your permit fees, your tap fee, your water fee, uh, connection fee, all those fees, building permits. Once you pay those fees, at the end of your construction, if your house is a home that's going to be a primary residence, not a rental home, but listed as a primary residence, if you turn that back in at the end of building your home, you get all those fees reversed back to you. Okay, you get a check back. Okay, so it pays to build in the city of Darlington. So that's our way of inviting you to come to Darlington. We're open and ready to build in the city of Darlington. Great news that we have developers already looking to build possibly 140 homes over by Walgreens and possible another 40 homes also downtown in the middle of Darlington by Mayo Magnet School area. And so great activity coming on. There's a few more housing developments just on the outskirts of Darlington, right at the edges of us also, looking to build an additional 80 homes. So it's happening in Darlington. Come be a part of it as we grow and make the PD a wonderful place to live. South Main Street coming through town is probably one of the worst roads that we have, but it is a state-owned road. So we like the citizens to realize that a lot of times when you're upset with the cities, Florence, Darlington, Hartsville, Straw, all these, all the towns around, a lot of the roads are not belonging to the city; they belong to the state. But we are thankful that the state is working on. They're redoing the sidewalks right now. If you ride down South Main Street, the sidewalks are being redone from D Avenue up to the square. Once they get that done, they're going to be right behind them, paving the street coming from D Avenue to the square. It's going to be wonderful. Just pray that we don't have to cut anything else after that. We were able to stall them, and last year it would have already been paved earlier, but because we knew that we were putting sewer lines through there, that's why a lot of those rough areas are through there. So we cut those, and they just patched those back temporarily to make sure that was taken care of. And so there's a lot of things under the road that we would love to go ahead and finish and tear up and cut again, but hopefully that we don't have to do that once they get this thing paved. But again, I try to really make everybody know that when they do pave these roads, they roll down the road with the big roller, and it's vibrating really hard. So a lot of times it does. That's what causes these roads to be paved and then turn around and have to cut them again. So pray the good Lord that we don't have to cut anything after they pave it. So we're so excited to get that part paved and cleaned up coming through South Main into our city of Darlington.